Hey fellas, as you can see, we have the Milwaukee M18PH, and it seems that it's working. Okay, let's check what we have inside of it. Everything is dried here. You have the washer here, and I can see the retainer. Okay, for now I will leave it. We need to open it. We have the brushes, they looks nice. The wires looks good, of course. I believe that the problem will be something with hammering or drilling. Okay, it's a little bit dusty, I can tell. Okay, can we take the motor out of here? Oh, probably not. Probably we need to remove this one, this one, this one. Okay, I don't want to go so far with this one. I will just brush it and okay. Let's check what we have here. We have the cylinder, the small piston inside. This one is a little bit wobble. This works as a changer. Okay. Yeah, I can feel the good compression here. Yeah, but as you can see, we have the old grease here. The O-ring is flattened, so I think we need to maintain this one, and this one is tightened with a nut here. Okay, what we have here. Basically, it not looks bad. Okay, I need to take it out somehow. Don't want to fire it very hard. Okay, so basically for this one we need to wash it, I think, and change the O-rings and the grease. I will check if I can buy them or not from the Milwaukee. Okay, let's check what we have here. We have the new O-ring for this piston. So the O-ring to lubricate the piston and setting it the aluminum cylinder. Okay, Now I have the small spring here. Okay, that's good. And I have this switch knob. Okay, which needs to be something like that, I think. Okay, so maybe I can remove this one and the pin here. Probably not. Okay, let's check. We'll put some grease here. And now I need to get everything flat here somehow. Seems that I got everything in. That's good. Now I need to check position of the switch. Yeah, this one. Just making sure that the switch O-ring is in the gap. Okay. What we have here, yeah, the switch can be moved, drilling. I mean, this one is drilling with a hammer. Okay, it seems that everything is nice here. Okay, so burn this here. Have the new sponge here, the nice clean one. Okay. Let's check for the wires here. It'll just go like that. Strange. Okay, maybe. Why not? try to close it. The other two. Okay, I can see a couple of screws here, the short ones, and I think they must be inside. Of the tool. Oh, it's for the motor. Okay. Check for the small button, spring, sorry, with the ball here. I think it must be on the switch. I need to lose this one a little bit to check the knob. Yep, I think the spring must be here in this hole. How I will make it hold it here, I will put some grease. Just put in some grease and make it stand the ball on that grease. I can see that the spring popped out. Yep. Okay, I got the ball from the inside of the hammer housing, and definitely we don't want to beat the ball in the inside of the hammer housing, all the gears are moving and so on. Okay. Yep, now we have the tick tick sound, and once again I moved it in the wrong direction. Okay. Here the spring and the ball. Okay, let's check how the switch mounts inside. Okay, it just mounts like that. And okie dokie. Okay, now we have the switch mounted, but I want to put the O-ring into the housing gap, so I need to press the O-ring to the bottom of the switch. Okay, now we have it here, and somehow we need to assemble it now. Of course, next time I will just take out cylinder with a gear, and it will be a lot easier. Okay, almost not lost everything on a phone call. Okay, I cannot get everything normally here. Okay, and yeah, probably I cannot do that because the switch is here. Okay, removing the spring ring, and after doing that I will be able to take the tool holder out. Okay, let's try to see now what we have here. Okay, this one will go here. This one will go here. And then now I will set this one. Yeah, it will go all together, hopefully, and I will be able to put everything back. Oh, I hope so. Okay. We'll put some of these here on the gear and on the cylinder. Okay, now we can check how we can get everything assembled here. Still cannot get this little fucker. this one go to the other side of the dash knob, I think. Okay, let's try to do that. Okay, finally I have inserted it, and now I don't know, with a big hope. I'm hoping that I can get everything filled here. Finally got it in. I hope so. Okay. Okay, now all I want is to assemble it and get rid of it. and I see that there's one screw missing. Not a big problem, I will find it later. Okay. So what we have here, we have the tool itself. We need to test it. Whew, okay, looks not bad. Now we need to put the spring ring back, and I have not done that before putting the housing in. Okay. Okay, what I will do now, I will just put the spring ring down and lift the tool holder, and of course push the spring ring down to the gap. That's it. Okay. The washer will go here. This plate. This plate. The bowl. The big plate. Okay, what a small ring I have here, I don't know. In the service kit we have new cap with the cover. We have a couple of spring rings, O-rings and so on. Okay, just making sure that the spring ring is in place, and this one must put everything down. And of course we have the cap here. Finally, what I can say. And did I put a bowl? Of course not. Yep. So the things with this one is not going well for me. Oh, I'll put the bowl. Okay, so it was the spare one. Okay. Have the core. Okay. The bolts to release the bolts. Of course I cannot test it like that, I need to test it on concrete. Okay, for you, thank you for watching. It was hard repair for me, easy repair for you. If you have questions, write in the comments. For now, bye.